passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees, and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher like...
Hey everyone, Jedi Joy here from the Jedi Joy Show. It is pouring down rain here. We're down at the Raiders Stadium. It has been raining since 4:30 this morning. It is November 20th, Wednesday, November 20th, 2019. We needed some rain here in Las Vegas, so this is great, but it is really coming down. We went earlier down by the link, and it was just a river down by the link. So we wanted to grab some more footage because it really just started coming down as we were down here taking photos. So stay tuned for all the updates on JediRich.com. And we're really glad we needed some rain here. So thank you, universe. Thank you for the rain. And it is getting chilly, so we're going to be going home soon. All right, thanks, everyone. Please subscribe to this YouTube right here, Jedi Rich, creative producer. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Thanks, everyone.
Stopped into a church. I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees, and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher like the cold. He knows I'm
Hey everyone,
gonna
Jedi Joy here from the
stay.
Jedi Joy Show. I am here at Crazy Horse 3. Crazy Horse is one of the local strip clubs here in Las Vegas. It is located right next to the Raiders Stadium. It is literally here on Russell Road and Polaris Avenue, which is right where the stadium is. And they have now they have food 24 hours here, so it's really awesome for the people working at the stadium or going to be coming to visit. But here's the thing, I think they're going to be having tailgate parties here. So that will be super cool because one of the issues with the stadium is parking. So I think they're going to have a deal where you can pay to park here and then tailgate here, right here at the strip club. So that's going to be really cool. And this is Crazy Horse 3. There is only this Crazy Horse. I know it's number 3, but this is the only one. The other 2 are not open anymore. This is the 3rd one. They've done a lot of new remodeling, and now they have food available. That wasn't available a couple years ago. We had come down here, and they didn't used to have food. So it's a great location by the stadium. They're going to have awesome tailgating parties here. And it's also just a really great place to come if you need a place to eat and you're by the stadium, because there's going to be a lot of hotels over here. This is a good place for food. I know some people don't want to come to a strip club for food, but hey, if you do like that, then bonus, food and girls all at the same time.
Stay. California, dreaming of such a winter's
Everyone, Jedi Joy here from the Jedi Joy Rich Show. It is Wednesday, November 20th, 2019. We're down here at the Raiders Stadium, and as you can see, it is raining. It has been raining since like 4:30 this morning. It has been pouring down rain. We'll show you some footage. We went to the Link Casino, and they had to shut down the area you normally go in the back to enter the casino when you're driving, because it is turned into a river. It's like the River de Link.
All right, let's go.
Everyone, Jedi Joy here from the Jedi Joy Rich Show. I'm down here at the Link Casino. This is where you normally go to get into the Link. Like how the Link is, you have to come from the back side and you drive underneath and then you go to the front. This is where you normally would drive. And as you can see, it's like when you go to the ocean and you gotta watch for when the waves are coming in, because it's sweeping up so close to me. It's like a river down here. We're at the River de la Link, and it's insane. Over here, it's just literally like flowing like a river. Because it's dodging these poles and stuff, and I couldn't believe. I knew that it flooded down here, but I was amazed by how much. So they've been working on it. I think they're going to try and fix this because this is getting insane. Every year I think it's getting worse. So they actually have been doing construction down here. So, all right, you guys, stay tuned. We're going to check out some more rain around town where there's flooding.
Go Raiders! Raider fans are everywhere.
We'll show you guys the footage of that. It was crazy. And so we decided to come down here, check out what's going on here at the stadium. It is a big mess out here with all this mud and stuff. So luckily, most of the work is occurring on the inside of the stadium, so the weather doesn't affect them as much now. But we heard that they stopped raising the roof on November 10th for some time. And then they're going to start again. They say it's going to be lifted by Thanksgiving, but for some reason it got stopped, and I don't know the reason. But they say they're still on course to finish on Thanksgiving. The whole stadium is 70% complete right now, which is really exciting news. So 70%. And I'd heard that we were like 1.3 billion in, so like that's how much has been spent on the stadium so far, and it's now becoming about a $2 billion project with some of the overages, and those overages will be picked up with the ticket sales. So remember, you had to get your partial money in by November 15th. So I don't know if they're going to have more deadlines for other numbers that you need to get in, but there are still 1,000 tickets available for sale for the 2020 season. And this whole stadium is, a big portion of it is being funded from these ticket sales, especially with the overages are all funded by these ticket sales. So it's really important. Let's get your tickets and let's sell that 1,000 more tickets, everyone. Who doesn't want to be part of this new stadium here in Las Vegas? It's going to be so much fun. You'll be able to go bet on your team and walk right into the game. So we're really excited about that. We're going to see what's going on. It's getting harder and harder to see as everything is occurring on the inside of the stadium. But like we said, it's 70% complete. It's a big water conservation deal with the water district here. It's we're in the desert here, you guys, and we do have a shortage of water. Luckily, we have some rain today, but it does not rain very often. That's why we came down here today. Rain is very rare in the desert, as we know. So they're doing a lot of projects to make sure people are conserving, because the more and more projects that are coming here to Vegas, the less and less water we're going to have. So I know the stadium just signed a big deal with the water district on that. So that's exciting. And we'll keep you guys updated. You can check for updates on stadium updates on jairich.com. You can follow us on Twitter at Jedi Rich Show, Jedi Rich.com, The Naked Jedi, Alien Nick, and then also please subscribe to this channel right here, the Jedi Rich Creative Producer. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing some live broadcasts out here when we come out here. They require 1,000 subscribers for that, so we're getting close. So please subscribe, and we'll keep you guys updated as we find out things around Vegas. And I hope you enjoyed the footage today from the flooding around Vegas as well. Thanks, everyone.
In the morning you go gunning for the man who stole your water, and you fight till he is done, but they catch you at the border, and the mourners are all singing as they drag you by your feet, but the
Raider fans are everywhere.
Let's do a quick little broadcast right now about how the Casino Royale has the best. If you want cheap food on the strip, you got to go here. So, can you turn the camera off?
You ready? Hey everyone, Jai Joy here. We came down here to check out the strip because we heard it was flooding. We were going to go to the Raiders Stadium. So we're coming down here, we went to the link, and now we're down here at the Casino Royale. The reason why we stopped here is when we first moved to Vegas, when we didn't have a lot of money, we would get the hot dogs here. They had them like 2 for $1 or something like that. I'm not sure if that's still the same deal, but it's probably close up. They had the cheapest food on the strip. So if you're down here and you need cheap food, check out Casino Royale. And we'll keep you guys updated on more flooding footage. All right, thanks everyone.
Now you swear and kick in Vegas that you're not a gambling man. Then you'll find you're back in Vegas with a handle in your hand. Your bad cards can make you money, so you hide them when you're able. In the land of milk and honey, you must put them on the table. Yeah, you go back, Jack, do it again. We'll turn it round and round. You go back, Jack, do it again.
Show the little shorties how you pump and fake a dime.